Cutting fossil fuel use and restoring the atmosphere will save lives. Particulate pollution from coal and cars still kills 100,000 Americans a year. 1 in 5 of all deaths globally is attributable to burning fossil fuels. 10 million senseless deaths a year when cleaner, safer fuels are already available. Just as the Endangered Species Act of 1973 mandated recovery of species like the peregrine falcon, our goal for the atmosphere should be the same, to restore it to health. And as described in my book, the place to start is with methane. Methane is the only greenhouse gas that could be restored in the lifetime of anyone in this room. I've dedicated the past decade of my career to this quixotic idea, and I share it with you in hope. Hope and optimism is something that we can practice, almost like working out at the gym. My first homework assignment in every class I teach is for students to go home that first day and find some things in the environment that are better today than they were 50 years ago. So we learn to appreciate the progress that we've made and the things that are better today. And that list is quite long. It includes the phase out of leaded gasoline from 30 or 40 years ago, which saved us a couple $1 trillion a year and lowered lead in the blood levels of our kids by 96%.
What elements of an ethical framework for addressing climate solutions would you particularly emphasize to us here?
I don't believe that we can see sustainable solutions to climate and have the inequity in resource use and consumption that we see across the world today. I don't think that's possible. And maybe put differently, climate solutions allow us an opportunity to correct those historical injustices.
What Rob was appealing to was a moral compass. And what we owe to the next generations. And one of the quotes that I have really liked, enjoyed, is an indigenous saying that we do not inherit this earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children.
I was sitting on the train reading the book and just felt really inspired, so this song goes out to the optimism I feel with my Earth Systems community. And I know it isn't fair, we inherited their dirty air, but we've got no choice. We've got to use our voices into the clear blue sky. I want to go into the clear blue sky.